First, take out of all items from the package. Package contains manual, monitor, bracket, camera, video cable, power cable with relay, USB power cord, cigarette lighter adapter, T-taps. Pick up the bracket. Loosen the nut of the bracket. You can refer to the video to operate. Put the nut into the ball and press it into the bracket. Tighten the nut. The angle of the stand can be flexibly adjusted. You can tear off the protective film on the bottom of the bracket and install it on the dashboard. Place it on the dashboard or windshield, press down on the bracket to exhaust the air, and pull down on the exhaust clasp to secure it. Align the bracket with the holes on the back of the monitor and snap it into place. After adjusting the angle, tighten the nut. Take out the license plate camera. Remove the protective film from the camera before use. Flexible camera angle adjustment. Take out the video cable. Connect the 4-pin connector of the video cable with DC connector to the monitor. Connect the 4-pin connector of the video cable without the DC connector to the camera. Pick up the cigarette lighter. Plug the cigarette lighter into the power outlet. Connect one end of the DC video cable to the cigarette lighter adapter. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Disconnecting the cigarette lighter adapter wires. Replacing the cigarette lighter adapter with a USB power cable. Connect one end of the DC video cable to the USB power cable. Plug the other end of the USB power cable into the USB port in your vehicle. The blue status light of the USB power cord lights up after powering. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Disconnect all wiring. Connect the 4-pin connector of the video cable with DC connector to the camera. Connect the 4-pin connector of the video cable without the DC connector to the monitor. Connect the DC connector of the video cable to the power cable. The black wire is connected to the negative of the ground, reversing lights, tail lights, or license plate lights. The red wire is connected to the positive of the reversing lights, tail lights, or license plate lights. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen.
There are 3 keys on the back of the monitor: up key, M key, down key. Press the up key to turn on off the guideline. When the guideline appears on the screen, press the M key. The H appears on the screen. Press the up or down key to moving the guideline left or right. Press the M key. The V appears on the screen. Press the up or down key to adjust the height of the guideline. Press the M key. The W appears on the screen. Press the up or down key to adjust the width of the guideline. Press the M key to switch to the brightness. Press the up or down keys to adjust the brightness. Press the M key to switch to the contrast. Adjust the contrast, saturation, and tint parameters in turn. Press the M key to switch to the language. Press the up or down keys to select the language you need. Press the M key to switch to the parking line on. Press the up or down keys to turn on off the guide line. Press the M key to switch to the reset. Now demonstrate the function of the reset function. When you encounter an interface that doesn't operate well, such as a guide line that goes to the bottom right corner, presses the M key to switch to the reset. Press the up or down keys to turn on the reset function. After the reset is complete, the system will automatically return to factory settings. Press the sensor with your finger, the LED light will light up. If you think the LED light of the camera is too dazzling, you can cut off the green thin wire. The monitor is in mirror mode by default. Cut off the white thin line and restart the monitor to automatically switch to front view mode.
The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.